Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book Action Research. It's a B.Ed semester 2 Jammu University book of Vinod Publications. Let's check. It's an in English medium book. It's a bestseller as per their also the previous books were. So let's check this book. Vinod Publication also known is India's #1 educational publisher. So let's check this book. It is written by a professional team of experienced authors of Vinod Publications. You can check the syllabus first. Unit 1, unit wise it's mentioned. Unit 1, fundamental of research, concept of research, fundamental of action research, concept, need and importance of action research. Then unit 2, you can check dynamics of action research process. Then types of action research. Then the contents are mentioned here. You can check whether the contents match the syllabus or not, like this: fundamental research, what is research, the concept of educational research. And in syllabus also the same thing was there: fundamental research, what is research, and concept of educational research. Page number wise the contents are given, so that it's very easy for the reader to find out and read anything they want to read. In next topic, fundamental of action research, concept, need and importance, you can check in syllabus also fundamental action research characteristics. So contents does match the syllabus, and it clarifies that it does match the syllabus. In unit 2, dynamics of action research, then action research process, identify problem. In syllabus also this was there: dynamics of action research problem, identify problems. Then last topic, tools of action research, characteristic, uses with subtopics. In syllabus also you can tools of action research, characteristic, uses and subtopics are given. So it clearly mentioned that the contents cover everything which was there in syllabus, and it's a very well made book, very well written book. Contents are all very easy, nicely explained also, with many topics with subtopics. We can also now check that whether the pages which are given, page number which are given in front of the topics of the contents, whether this page number actually exists or not, whether this page number actually match the content topic or not. For example, like this: need of action research, page 112. Let's check whether in page 112 this topic is available or not. So let me check need of action research, page 112. You can see this topic is absolutely there at page 112. In unit 2, like this, finding results and implementation, 217. Let's check whether it's there or not. See, dynamics of action research, page 217. Finding results and implementation, page 217. Let me check it again. See, developing action research design. So there is finding results, and this topic is available here. We can check other topic also, like this: interview, 266 page. Let's check whether in 2666 page interview is there or not. So in page 266 interview is there. So you can rely on this book very easily, and everything which is there in page number, in contents, it is there in the between the book also. In the back side of the book the other books are also mentioned. You can check it out when you will purchase this book, and you can go and you can this book has 288 pages. It covers everything which was there in syllabus and in contents very easily. It's of just 299.50 rupees. You can buy this book by visiting their website at www.vinodpublications.com. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube also and buy this book. And do online shopping. You can go to www.vinodpublications.com and inform about other things, other books which are available in their in their firm. And you can also check their number at this website, at email website vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can contact their helpline number if you have any complaints with the book at help@vinodpublications.com. And if you want to purchase this book not if you don't want to purchase it online, you can purchase it offline also from any available bookstores nearby your location. Any bookstore which has B.Ed books, you can purchase this book at 299.50 rupees only. This book, Action Research Semester 2 B.Ed book of English medium of Vinod Publications. It's a very trusted book. It's a very trusted firm. I definitely recommend this book. It's a must buy from my side. Thank you.